Welcome back, traders. In today's video, we're diving deep into the Euro-USD pair with a detailed 1-hour technical and fundamental analysis. If you've been watching the Euro lately, you'll know there's some exciting price action brewing. Is it time to go long, or is a short opportunity just around the corner? Stick around because we've got some key levels to break down for you, along with the latest fundamental insights that are shaking up the market. Technical outlook. Alright, let's get into the technical setup for Euro-USD on the 1-hour chart. As we can see, the price is currently in a bullish uptrend. This is evident from the consistent higher highs and higher lows. But if we zoom into the price action of the previous day, we can notice a period of consolidation. The price has been ranging between the previous day high and low. Now, with momentum still strongly pushing upwards, we're looking for possible opportunities to ride this trend. But there's a catch. The price is showing signs of a small sell-off. Here's what we're watching. If we see a candle close below the previous day's low, that's our cue to enter short positions. This will confirm a potential reversal or continuation of the downward momentum. Our first target would be the 0.5 Fibonacci level at 1.15600. This zone represents a key area of support where price might hesitate or even bounce. Further down, the 0.618 Fibonacci level at 1.15400 could act as a deeper target, aligning with a decision-making order block below the 1.15720 level. This area has historically seen strong price reactions, making it a clear POI, point of interest, for potential support or resistance. So, on lower time frames, we're looking for a short entry around the previous day's low with a target of 1.15600 and 1.15400, depending on how the price behaves. And if price close above the previous day high zone, then we can easily enter for long trade and place below previous day low candle and aim for good pips. Fundamental analysis. Switching gears to the fundamental side, let's take a look at the latest developments driving Euro-USD. As we can see from the ECB's policy stance, the European Central Bank remains hawkish, indicating that there are no immediate plans to cut interest rates. This stance comes amidst a robust Eurozone economy and inflation pressures that still need to be managed. The ECB's recent statement on October 30th, 2025 showed confidence in keeping rates restrictive for the foreseeable future. Key factors influencing Euro-USD. Monetary policy. The ECB's hawkish tone is likely to keep the euro supported, especially in the absence of any rate cuts. With APP and PEPP portfolios shrinking, we're seeing a passive balance sheet reduction, which could lead to tightening liquidity and strengthen the euro in the medium term. Global risk outlook. On the global front, the Fed's cautious approach towards future rate cuts and the ongoing geopolitical risks, especially in the US and China, have driven the market into a defensive mood. This typically means a preference for the euro as investors seek stability amid global uncertainties. CFTC analysis and the week ahead. There's also anticipation around upcoming data from Europe, including current account flows, CPI revisions, and PMI prints. These reports could give us a clearer picture of whether growth and inflation are on the rise or slipping, which will be crucial for further euro moves. Exogenous and endogenous factors. Looking at endogenous data, manufacturing index is showing signs of improvement, but we are seeing a downtrend in retail sales and money supply, which could indicate slowing consumer demand. Interest rates are still decreasing, but with CPI increasing, this creates mixed signals for traders. All in all, Eurozone fundamentals remain strong, but there's a lot of uncertainty in the air due to the global risk landscape. The euro has the edge, but any surprises in economic reports or policy shifts could shift the momentum. So the 1-hour chart suggests a possible short-term reversal. The fundamentals are still backing the euro in the medium-term bullish. For now, Our strategy is to monitor the price action closely at the previous day's low, looking for confirmation of a short position. But don't forget, the Eurozone's economic outlook and ECB's policy stance are providing underlying support for the euro, so be ready to adjust if the market sentiment changes. That's it for today's analysis. I hope you found this detailed breakdown helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth market insights. Want to stay ahead of the market? Join my Telegram channel for daily forex signals and market updates. And if you're still interested in learning, drop a message on Twitter.